porch. Look out with 2 shepherd keepers. Grill on the while. These guys are going to be grilled today. They will be delicious. Welcome back. We are here at the Packery Channel Jetty. By the Packery Channel Jetty. Right here. Fixing to grill some sheepshead. Got the fire going right here. Got the fire going. Fixing to make some mango pico de gallo. I guess what it's called, mango pico de gallo. And we're gonna make raw corn and zucchini salad. That's on the menu today. And grilled. Oh, and some. We got some fresh shrimp. And those 2 for the mango pico de gallo, we got what? What do we need? How many tomatoes?
2 tomatoes.
Some red onions?
You only need a quarter of a red onion. 4 limes. Serrano peppers. Mango.
Alright. I'm gonna mix that up. And I guess we'll be back. Slaving away. Nice enough. Fresh. What is it?
It is pico de gallo, just like mango.
Mango pico de gallo. Okay, here's the pico de gallo, or the, what is it? Mango pico de gallo. This is ready.
The rooster beak.
The rooster beak. Now we're gonna get the,
We're gonna shuck the corn.
Shuck the corn for the salad, for the
We're
raw.
gonna roast it.
We're not gonna roast it.
It isn't roasted?
No, it's raw.
I used to roast it.
It's a raw zucchini and corn salad. That's what it is. So Cece's gonna... It's pretty windy out here. As you can see, everything's blowing away. We're trying to keep everything here or in the trash.
Mayonesa. You know, we take this off, right?
Yeah, cut it off. I know it feels when you cut it. Now she's just slicing the zucchini for the raw zucchini and corn salad. Good job, Cece. Got the cilantro.
Chop it so they don't fly away.
Super windy. Well, could be windier.
Cilantro, and then we're gonna put some lime.
you have the lime? We already added the lime juice.
Oh, I need some olive oil.
Oh yeah, about 2 tablespoons. That's about 2 tablespoons. And some ground salt and pepper. I just stir it up. Gonna add a little more pepper. And a little bit more salt.
A little bit more light.
A little bit more lime. And that's ready to enjoy. Okay, now we got the sheepshead right here. We got some
Shrimp skewers.
with marinated in olive oil, from HEB of course, salt and pepper, and some lemon and garlic, minced garlic. And I'm gonna put it just a little bit of that's a bit too much. A little olive oil in here. Okay, now we're just gonna keep it simple. Just salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. You ever heard this? Well, name one song. Sing one song on salt and pepper. Your favorite song.
Yeah, right.
Hum it. Or whistle it. Your favorite salt and pepper song. Or just name your favorite salt and pepper song. What's it called? Okay. Well, I don't know those songs. So, can't name a song because I don't know the song. You want cayenne on here?
Yes. No, because I think spicy.
Hey, it can never be too spicy. I'll put some on too. Oh, I put them on my, oh well. Oh, I got some on my eye. Oh shit. The damn wind. Ooh, man. Yeah, I'm like nice. Hey, whatever.
You can never have too much. That's what you get for saying you can never have too much.
Alright. Let's get the party started, Sissy. This was just caught a couple of hours ago.
Fresh sheepshead.
Fresh.
Shrimp on the barbie.
We got some of this, what is it, garlic parmesan butter from HEB, of course. Did I put 2 or 1?
But 2 for the big pieces.
This one's think you that one? You said a little more. Something else. Woo! Hot stuff. The fish is cooked already.
The shrimp coming?
Yeah. All right, let's see the back side of that. Yeah, un poco falta un poco. Yeah. Prepare on this side. No. And here you have it. Got the grilled sheepshead with some mango pico de gallo. That is some raw zucchini and corn salad and some grilled shrimp. She's gonna try it out now. Hopefully she don't die. There's a fish.
It's really good. It needs more of this. More mango. It's fresh. It's really good. Try this. Good like ours. I already had the shrimp fry. How was that?
Yeah. And we left some here for the seagulls. Right there. Yep. For the seagulls. But I will take out the skewers.
Guys, you can't go wrong with better than restaurant.
Fresh from the bay. Or not the bay, but Packery channel. All right. Well, thanks for watching. We're going to eat this. Well, we're both going to enjoy this. And then we're going to go over there later on and try for some drum, redfish, or whatever bites on the
Fly a kite.
Oh, but yeah, but first Caesar's gonna fly a kite. Got her a kite so she can fly it. But yeah, later on we're gonna see where that maroon. I don't know if we can see that maroon car. That's what we're fishing at this morning. And now we're gonna go across on the other side of the expressway and try it over there. But thanks for watching. See you later.